I highly doubt there's any buses at all running right now. If there is, very few and far between, to say the least. They're trying to clear it as fast as they can, but there's only so much you could do, Look at that. Incredible. Never seen it like this before, folks. Enjoy.